feel like an old railroad man riding out on the Blue Mountain Line, humming along Old Dominion blues. Not much to see, not much left to lose, and I know I can walk along the tracks. It may take a little longer, but I know how to find my way back. I feel like an old railroad man who's really tried the best that he can.